everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it's going down. It's the virtual celebration of my cookbook, Taste the Love. I hope everyone bought it. It's available on Amazon.com, and today we will be celebrating. I'm very happy. I'm very excited because this book was long awaited, and now it's here, guys. It's here. So make sure you like, you subscribe, and you share this channel, because today it's going down Paulie's Love Style. All right? Wild caught shrimp. So much, Red Carpet Shelly. I appreciate this, and I'm so overwhelmed and so happy that everyone decided to spend a little time with me. Mom, how are you? I'm so happy that everyone is spending time. Let me tell y'all, it's going down in this Zoom today. It's going down. This is just not gonna be a little. I see my sister Marion. I see my oldest brother William. Thank you guys for coming in. My family is very important to me, and family structure is important. And nowhere near finished yet, but this is just the beginning of something beautiful that's about to happen. When you look at a rose, the rose is closed. You only see that little petal. But as it opens, you see all of these petals begin to merge. So I'm at the beginning stage of a rose. and I'm gonna be coming out with a lot of new stuff. Right now, my cookbook is selling like crazy. I'm so happy that you guys are buying it and you're sharing it with your friends, because it's not just a cookbook. I don't want to tell everything in this book, but it's not just a cookbook. So when you begin to read it, you automatically feel the love that I'm talking about when I say taste the love. Also, on my my website, I have my seasonings. I have my all-purpose seasoning, and with pepper, my all-purpose seasoning without. I have my garlic herb rub, which is very good with Italian food, and well, it's good with all foods, but it's really, a lot of people is telling me they love it on their seafood boils. And I have my my pink Himalayan sea salt straight from the pink Himalayan mountains. So these seasonings, I put a lot of effort and I put a lot of work into them, because I don't believe in just selling anything. I don't believe in it. I mixed these seasonings, I chose these seasonings, and I blended them based on my liking when I season food. And these seasonings is filled with everything. So you don't have to go and buy Lorry's, you don't have to buy adobo anymore. You can just use it all. Right? Can't go wrong with Old Bay, right? Look at black pepper. We just gonna throw the Scotch bonnet. You see the Scotch bonnet? We just gonna throw it there, but we're not gonna cut it, and we're just gonna throw it in there, right? Fine. What it does is, when you don't cut it open, it enhances the flavor of the Scotch bonnet without the heat. So you're not gonna get the heat at all, but you're gonna get the flavors. This is some thyme, okay? Fresh, no, that's dry thyme. That's not fresh thyme. All right? Now we got some pimento seed. So we throwing in a little pimento seed. You see?
I see that.
All right.
Now sometimes when I'm cooking, I crush the pimento seed. Is that the wrong thing?
No, that's the right way to do it. You can crush your pimento seed, because crushing the seed brings out the flavor more. But because I don't actually want, because pimento is nothing but allspice. That's what pimento is. Pimento is allspice. So what it is when you keep it with the berries, you can remove it after the flavor has enhanced inside of the pot. But when you put the allspice powder, you can't remove the actual berries. All right, so you're gonna cook this, but you're cooking it low, because you don't want your onions and peppers to get really wilted. You wanna just let a little bit of the moisture come out of it, but you don't want it to get soggy. You still want that little crunch, you know? This is a little vinegar. All right?
Okay.
You hear that? Can you hear that? That's the sound of love.
I hear it and I see it.
All right. You see, it's not really soft. Now, this is a secret. You make a little circle, and then you add your sugar right in that circle. And you fold it right in. Why do we use sugar? Because sugar and vinegar makes a wonderful escovitch sauce. That's what escovitch sauce is. You see that? How that look? Look nice, right? You guys.
I can see the love, Paulie.
All right. So then you take, after you take your salmon. Hold on, I'm putting my stove on for my fried chicken, because I'm gonna rock my honey love chicken at the same time. All right. Right here just for show. And look at this. This goes on top of the salmon.
Very nice. I'm booking my flight to Charlotte right now, okay?
Okay. You see it? And you just smother your salmon just like that.
That looks amazing.
Right. Right? So, that's it.
If you're cooking salmon with skin on, do you put it in the pan skin down or skin up?
Skin down. Because what you do is, look at this, to make sure that the pan is very hot.
Your talent and your skills and your blessings when others are willing to hire you and work with you sight unseen without even having tasted your food, so your reputation precedes you.
Yeah.
It's just
See that? Honey? This is a lemon. You're going to cut the lemon in half. And we're just going to use the juice. Honey, lemon. This is a lime. Yes, I like to smell them because a lot of the flavor is in the skin. There's more flavor in the skin, the skin of the fruit than the fruit itself. That's why if you notice, chefs they use the skin. So, all right, right. So we're going to stir that in, and then we're going to take some crushed red pepper. Crushed red pepper. And we just going to, you see, McCormick, that's, you know, that comes from Mama. And now if you like it spicy, you just make it spicy. Okay? And then you mix it, and then this is an additive. This is what you do because you know you look with your eye, you eat with your eyes first, right? Everyone eats with their eyes first, right? So I want you to take little slithers of the lime, very thin, and then take a little slither of the lemon. 2 slithers each, and then you take them and cut them and you just slice them. You slice them, and don't worry about the seed because the seed, once you start putting it on the chicken, the seeds is going to separate and it's going to stay at the bottom. Okay, let me check the chicken. Like a party going on in your mouth.
I was just thinking that. And fried chicken ever. I agree. Your fried chicken is hands down my favorite dish for sure.
Got it? So look at this. Big up to you, Shelly.
That looks amazing. Now just put it in a freeze